What is com.sec.phone? Com.sec.phone is a package name of system app already provided by the distributor. It's a pre-install app which can be easily seen by us. You can find it in the Samsung dock list. This package consists of some classes: Boot Complete Receiver, COOOR, Manifest, Real Constants, Second Phone Service. How to fix com.sec.phone. Open Setting, Apps, Show System Map, search for second.phone. Click on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache, then Clear Data. If not worked, then tap on Force Stop. For more such videos, please like, subscribe, and share for support Gossip Funda.